how to scan a QR code on your Android phone. Here's how. First, open the Camera app. Now, point your camera at the QR code and keep it steady. Wait a few seconds until the QR code is detected. On my phone, a small QR code icon appears on the screen. On some other Android phones, the link may appear directly at the top or bottom of the screen instead. Tap the QR code icon. If the link appears directly on your phone, simply tap the link instead. The scanned link will now be displayed. On my phone, I get two options: copy URL and open in browser. On some other Android phones, the website may open immediately after you tap the link. Tap Open in Browser to visit the website, or tap Copy URL if you want to save or share the link. If your camera app doesn't detect QR codes, try using Google Lens or the Google Lens option in your camera app, if available. That's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.